first orbit, second orbit. 2 electrons, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oxygen 8 is equal to 2, 6. It requires 2 electrons to complete its octet. It accepts 2 electrons and forms oxide ion. The structure is like this: nucleus, first orbit, this is second orbit. In first orbit 2 electrons are present, while in second orbit 6 electrons are present. Transfer of 2 electrons from magnesium takes place. So, it forms oxide ion nucleus, first orbit, second orbit. In first orbit 2 electrons are present, while in second 6, 7, 8. The bond which is formed by transfer of one or more than one electrons from one atom to another atom is called ionic bond, or it is also known as electrovalent bond. Now, we discuss property of electrovalent or ionic compound. Properties of ionic compound. Very first, high melting point and boiling point. In the formation of ionic compound, electrostatic force of attraction acts which binds two atoms. Therefore, due to high value of electrostatic force of attraction, they possess high melting point and boiling point. इनके गलनांक और क्वथनांक उच्च होते हैं क्योंकि इनके अणुओं के मध्य आकर्षण अधिक होता है. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है, दूसरा एक्सेप्ट करता है, इसलिए दोनों के मध्य आकर्षण अधिक होता है, मजबूत से जुड़े होते हैं, इसके लिए इनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाई होता है. नंबर 2, फिजिकल स्टेट, भौतिक अवस्था. जनरली ionic compounds are solid. All the ionic compounds are found in solid state. Third, conductivity. Ionic compounds are good conductor of heat and electricity in molten state or in aqueous solution. At normal stage, they are not a good conductor. They do not allow pass electricity to through them. They are bad conductor, but in molten state or in aqueous solution, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. सामान्यतः आयनिक यौगिक विद्युत के कुचालक होते हैं, परंतु गलित अवस्था में और जलीय विलयन में ये विद्युत के सुचालक होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, solubility, विलेयता. Generally, ionic compounds are soluble in water and insoluble in organic solvent. This is soluble in polar solvent like water. Next, isomerism. They do not show the property of isomerism. This is all about ionic compound. Now we discuss covalent bond, सहसंयोजक बंध. The second type of bond is covalent bond. The bond which is formed by equal number of sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. वह बंध जो इलेक्ट्रॉन की समान साझेदारी से मिलकर होता है, बनता है, उसे हम सहसंयोजक बंध कोवलेंट बॉन्ड कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स. हाउ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इज फॉर्म्ड. Hydrogen atomic number 1, we can write 1 H is equal to 1. This is the first atom. Second atom of hydrogen, only one electron is present. First atom, this is the second atom. Both the atom shares one electron each, therefore we obtain hydrogen molecules. In the formation of hydrogen molecules, sharing of one electron from each atom takes place, therefore it is called single covalent bond. इस हाइड्रोजन अणु के निर्माण में दोनों हाइड्रोजन परमाणु ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की साझेदारी की है, इसलिए हम सिंगल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड, एकल सहसंयोजक बंध कहते हैं. नाउ वी डिस्कस सेकंड एग्जांपल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. हाउ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल इज फॉर्म्ड. Oxygen molecule is formed by the combination of two atoms of oxygen. Here we write oxygen 8 is equal to 2 6. Oxygen requires 2 electrons to complete its octet. Second atom, it also requires 2 electrons to complete its octet. Both the atoms shares 2 electrons each. Here formation of double covalent bond takes place. These 4 electrons means 2 pair represents double bond. We can write like this: O double bond O. So we discuss how covalent bond is formed. Now we discuss properties of covalent compound. Number 1, physical state. Generally, covalent compounds are found in liquid state or gaseous state. Exceptional graphite is found in solid state. Mainly, the covalent compounds are found in gaseous state or liquid state. Second, melting point and boiling point. Because there is no force of attraction between molecules, therefore their melting point and boiling point is low. चूंकि दो परमाणुओं के मध्य कोई ज़्यादा आकर्षण नहीं होता है, इसलिए इनके गलनांक क्वथनांक कम होते हैं। थर्ड, कंडक्टिविटी। These compounds are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Fourth, solubility. Generally, they are insoluble in polar solvent like water, but soluble in organic solvent like benzene, toluene, xylene, alcohol. सामान्यतः जल में अविलय होता है, लेकिन जितने भी कार्बनिक विलायक होते हैं इनमें विलय होते हैं हमारे पास। आइसोमेरिज्म। This compound shows the property of isomerism. Here we discuss ionic bond and covalent bond. Now, third type of bond is covalent coordinate bond or simply coordinate bond. Here we discuss third point, coordinate bond.